question is why you should use Power BI for your data analysis or dashboard requirement. The most important reason is it is easy to use. You don't require any programming knowledge, any technical knowledge to use Power BI, connect your database with your Power BI and make visuals reports in Power BI. If you know computers, if you know Excel, basic knowledge of Excel, if you understand data, you can use Power BI. You can make your dashboard. You can play with many visuals. You can sort your data. You can do historical data analysis. You can also do predictive data analysis. These all make Power BI very powerful. Second reason is it is scalable. When I say scalable, means you can connect with any size of database or any database. Third is, if you are using Power BI, it is by default integrated with many Microsoft applications. Fourth is Power BI as a software, either you are using the desktop version or cloud version of Power BI, it is secure. If you keep your data on cloud or local, it is pretty secure. These are the basic features which force you to use Power BI. There are some additional reasons why you should use Power BI. One of them is Power BI continuously, constantly adding more features in the software. And top of that, Power BI has a large number of community. So it is not just a Microsoft offering you something, but a community also offer you something. If you stuck somewhere, you can simply go on the forum, you can reach out to the community, they can help you. And most important feature why you should use Power BI is affordability. Power BI desktop version is absolutely free. Anyone can simply go on the Power BI website, can download the desktop version. If you want cloud version of Power BI, then you have to pay very small amount for each user, and you can get a very powerful analytics tool for your business. I believe the cost of one user is $20 per month, which is nothing. However, desktop version is absolutely free. Hope these informations are enough to encourage you to use Power BI for your data analytics. Thank you.